Welcome everyone. Today we are going to start learning a little bit about fraction. The first thing come to my mind will be cutting a pizza. I think that's a more straight way to understand about fraction. So what is fraction actually? A number that we use to represent part of a whole. So if a circle is cut into 4 slices, then each slice is 1/4 of the circle. And if a circle is cut into 8, then each slice is equal to 1/8 of it. Take a look at more example here. So an apple cut into half, then each half is 1/2. And if cut into quarter, each quarter, let's say we just call it 1/4. Well, some of our friends may ask about the picture in the bottom right. Why each ball is represented as 1/8 here? Well, because all the 8 balls can be considered as a whole in this case. So each ball will become a part of this whole. Well, now, so how do we write fraction here? For example, like 2/3, the top number, the 2, is called the numerator. Represent the number of share or parts that included, or we're going to represent. The bottom number is called denominator. Represent the total number of share that the whole is divided into. Well, also, we classify the fraction as proper fraction and improper fraction. When the numerator is smaller than the denominator, which means it's less than 1, we call it as a proper fraction. When the numerator is greater than the denominator, which means it's greater than 1, we call it improper fraction. And on the other hand, whole number can be represented as fraction as well. Look at this blue circle. The first one is cut into 8 shares, and a over a equal to 1. And in the second case, we got 2 circles, which each was cut into 8 shares as well. And now we got 16 shares altogether, divided by a equal to 2. So that means 2 whole. And if we look back to the meaning of division, we should realize that fraction is actually a different way to write division. A over a can be represented as a divided by a. And same as the case we mentioned before, 16 over a is also equal to 16 divided by a. Well, fraction can also be used as a way to represent the chance of simple outcome in a given situation. In this case, we got 6 balls in a bag, 4 in blue, 2 in red. If we pick a ball from the bag randomly, what's the chance of getting a blue ball or red ball? Well, if the denominator represents the total number of balls, which is 6 here, and the numerator will be the number of balls in each color. So for blue ball, we got 4, and red ball, we got 2. So the chance of picking up a red ball would be 2/6. The chance of picking up a blue ball will be 4/6. That's it for today. Thank you.